say, other people say, are saying is wrong. When you say they are saying,
Good morning.
good morning, hi Pooja, how are
How
you?
I am awesome. What about you?
I'm good as well. Thank you so much. So I think this is our first session together.
Yes, right.
Great. So what do you do?
I am a working professional in an organization, and I am doing as a backend executive as well as learning sales strategy also.
Great. Where are you from?
I am from Kolkata, but currently I am living in Delhi.
Okay. All right. So tell me, what would you like to talk about today?
Any topic? Today's topic is like paranormal
Yeah,
activity means
paranormal
ghost.
activity. Yes,
Yes,
horror. So do
yes.
you believe in ghosts?
No, not. I don't believe. I
Hmm.
love to watch horror movies
Okay.
or series.
So when you watch these, do you get scared?
Actually, when I totally involve on that zone, then yes, sometimes little bit scared, but
Mm-hmm.
not actually. I have a dream. I have
Hmm.
a one wish to
Right.
watch one horror movie in a movie theater at
Okay.
a night show.
My goodness, you're very brave. Okay. So, do you want to watch this movie alone, or would you take somebody along with you?
Actually, I want to take somebody if means I'm not alone. I will
Hmm.
take someone with me.
Okay. So, have you ever experienced any such, paranormal activity where you felt that, okay, this is strange, it is not normal, or any such incident?
I didn't feel any that activity, but one of my my aunt,
Hmm.
my father's sister.
Yeah.
Oh, she felt that activity. She felt one incident in their house. In
Hmm.
their house, there are someone, and there are someone, and they someone is stealing him. What I say means seeing him, seeing him,
Okay. Seeing her.
seeing her. That kind of thing
Okay.
she said to us.
Like she felt some presence over there. Did she see
Yeah,
something?
yes, right.
Okay. So there is someone, not are someone. Okay. There is
There is some.
someone. Yes. You can just say that she felt a presence of someone in the house. See, this is very common. Many people say that
Mm.
they feel the presence of someone following them, or just
Yes,
uh,
yes.
some presence in certain
Some.
areas. Now, how
Yes.
much of it is actually true, we don't know. But then,
Yes, actually.
right.
Actually,
So,
I also never felt any. Means I want to experience, but I
hmm,
never felt it. And but from other people, they are saying that
hmm,
I experienced and I feel that someone is following me.
right.
That kind of thing.
Hmm. Some people say, other people say, are saying is wrong. When you say they are saying, that means they are telling you right now. Okay. See,
Okay.
any action that is still going on, that is the thing where we say in the continuous tense. I am doing, I am seeing, the person is talking. So it is still going on. But when you want to say in general, then you keep it as simple tense. They say.
Okay.
Like in this, if I say I am talking to you right now, right? It is still going on. So I'm saying I'm
Yes.
talking to you. But if I want to say in general that I speak to many people, then I'll say I talk to many people every day. Here I'm not saying I'm talking to many people every day. Okay. When you use the word talking, saying, doing, it means that the action is still going on. So avoid that and keep it simple. Do, talk, say, eat, go, see. Okay.
Okay.
So, you said you're fond of watching horror movies and other such videos. So, do you believe any such shows that you see about paranormal activity? Like, if you, I don't know if you remember or not, or have you seen, there was a show on Sony TV which used to show about these strange activities, paranormal activities. Okay, and they used to claim that these are all real incidents. So, do you believe in any such shows or activities that are shown in on television or on on videos? Do you think they are genuine?
No, not actually. From my perspective, it's not genuine because means we are also means sometime we experience
Hmm.
means we are think means when we thought
Hmm.
when we think that someone is following me, then
Hmm.
we aware, and then we see backside all time that anyone is following to me. So
Right.
that means it's all about thought. What kind of
Hmm.
thought you are like means for my if I say for myself, then first when I watch when I watch every horror movie right now, I don't have fear when I am watching the horror movie.
Hmm.
But before earlier before in the past, I had watched any horror movie, then I just involve on that. And after that, after watching the horror movie, I just I just feel that someone is like stalking me, someone is seeing to me like
Hmm.
that kind of means I saw it, and then I feel it means it's all about thought. So I will tell
Yes.
that yeah, it's not
See,
right.
actually, the large part of it is about your mind itself. If mentally
Yes,
you feel
yes,
scared, automatically you will feel as if okay,
yes,
something strange is going on, right?
yes, right, right.
So, the more you think positively, yeah, it's nothing, it was just a story and things like that, you will see your fear is also
Yes.
going down, right? One correction: the first time when I saw a horror movie, okay, not earlier when I used to see, or you can say when I used to see movies, when I used to watch movies earlier, I used to feel scared, but now I don't. Okay, I used to, I did. These are all past words. Okay,
Used to means what
I
do?
used to means this is something that you used to do earlier. Now you don't do it anymore.
Okay,
Okay, I used to take the bus to office. Now I travel by my own car, like that. Okay,
okay.
used to means past tense. In the past, you used to do this. So, which is the most scariest movie that you have seen? Do you remember?
Scariest movie. It's actually one of my friend said that that movie is so much scary.
Hmm.
So means if anyone saw alone, then she he or she might feel scared or
Yes,
that kind
yes.
of thing. So that movie's name is Conjuring.
Hmm. I heard that many people, they fell sick when they saw Conjuring. After they finished, they came out of the theater and they faced some health issues. Some actually became so paranoid. I don't know what the movie is about, and I'm not interested even because I don't like horror movies. But then I heard
Uh,
it is one of the most scariest movies. So have you watched this movie?
Actually, I when one of my friends said that, then I want to experience. Means I
I
want
wanted
to.
to experience.
Okay, I wanted to experience that movie. So one day at 12 o'clock at night, I when all thing is means all thing household chores had done, then I one of my room. It's if you switch off your light, then
Hmm.
all means room is like it's dark.
Yeah.
It was dark,
Hmm.
and that day I watched movie through my earphone. through the mobile. I watched whole movie, but after I feel like it's not scary.
It's not scary.
Yes, actually
Oh,
I
you
didn't feel
didn't
that, but
feel that.
everyone, yeah.
Most people said that Conjuring is very, very
Yes,
scary.
yes, yes. That's why I wanted to experience that. How much scary it, so I wanted to experience.
Why exactly do you like scary movies?
I don't actually when I was a kid,
Hmm.
so I love to watch that day. I love to watch means like one hand cut the leg or that kind of thing. I love to watch. I don't know, but it's like I don't know from the
It's
beginning.
entertainment for you.
Yes, yes,
Mhm. There are very few people who enjoy horror movies
yes.
because, like, I don't. It's not that I'm always scared of them, but it's just that my point is when I go to watch a movie, or even if home, if I'm watching a movie, it should be entertaining. It should have
Hmm.
some kind of things that I can relate to, and ghosts are something that I don't relate to at all. And also the whole idea about scaring somebody and getting into somebody's body and these kind of things, I don't like at all. I don't find them appealing.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
anyway, that's about individual choices. Many people like horror, and most people I know they don't like horror at all. So anyway, let's quickly move to your feedback. See, you can express yourself well. Okay, you have good thoughts. Okay, you can think of appropriate content to say in each sentence, but your grammar is one area that needs to work upon. See, first of all, tenses. Which tense are you planning to speak in? Because if you're explaining a past incident, it has to be in past tense. If it is something general, in general, what you still do, or anything in the present context, so you need to use present tense in that case, and similarly, future tense. Now, what I feel is when you have to narrate it in the past tense, you're facing some difficulty in framing the sentence. Okay.
Yes,
So, for practice, I would say first of all, read something on a daily basis. Okay. You can also listen to English content. Get yourself exposed to the language as much as possible. uh, Listening in the sense of you can listen to the news, you can listen to podcasts, you can listen to audio stories, you can listen to speeches, interviews, group discussions. Okay, anything, whatever content you like, you can just you'll find lots of content online. So you
yes,
just need to check what you want to listen to, what is the topic about. If you find it interesting, and just listen to it. Now, when you're listening, of course, yes, you need to understand the content also, but apart from that, check for the kind of sentences that are being said, the kind of vocabulary that is being used. If you are unable to understand a particular word, just find out the meaning of that word and check for synonyms. What else can be used instead of this one word? Okay.
okay,
Um, it will really help you. At times, if you feel that you're not sure of a pronunciation, listen when you're listening to these stories and you come across a word that you can't pronounce properly, put the audio and pause and repeat that word yourself 5, 6 times loudly so that you can hear yourself. All these actually help in pronunciation, in widening your vocabulary range, in um, constructing sentences, and on an overall understanding the language better. Okay. Apart from that, you can take up simple topics, anything. Preferably, I would say take up topics from your past. Let's say you talk about your childhood, your best friend, your normal day, your first day to school. Okay, any such topic, and you can prepare an extempore for yourself. Okay, jot down all that you want to say in points in like
mm,
1 to 2 minutes, and then the next 2 minutes speak on it. Speak in a detailed, elaborate manner. Once you're speaking, you'll see you will have opportunities to use the past tense. And once you're done, listen to that recording yourself. Okay, and see how you're
okay,
sounding, what kind of mistakes you have made. All this is just uh, um, practice, that's all. Okay, so the more exposure you get to the language, the better you will. All right. That was, I think we are almost done with our session time today. It was really nice
Yes,
talking to you.
me too
So
also.
hope to see you again very soon.